Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to use GridControl in DevExpress using C#. After you finish creating a new Windows Forms project, you need to create a DevExpress form. Next, open your Form Designer, then drag the GridControl from your Visual Studio toolbox into your Form Designer. The GridControl provides rich capabilities for displaying, shaping and editing data from any data source. Next, right-click on your project, then add an ADO.NET Entity Data Model to your project. We will use Entity Framework to retrieve data from the Northwind database. Entity Framework is an open-source ORM framework for .NET applications supported by Microsoft. It enables developers to work with data using objects of domain-specific classes without focusing on the underlying database tables and columns where this data is stored. In this video, I'll use the product and category tables in the Northwind database to get the data, then display the data into the GridControl. After you finish creating the ADO.NET Entity Data Model, you should see the diagram as shown in my video. And don't forget to rebuild your project. Next, you need to click on the arrow icon on GridControl, then add the data source to your GridControl. Next, double-click on your form to add a form load event handler that allows you to initialize the data source into GridControl. Next, click the Run Designer button on GridControl to attach a repository item grid lookup edit to GridControl that allows you to display the category name. And don't forget to set data source, display member, and value member to repository item grid lookup edit. Next, select the column section, then set the column edit property of the category column to repository item grid lookup edit. You can easily filter products by category or filter data in any column. You can also remove any columns or group data by columns. If you want to change the look and feel of your form, you can use the DevExpress project settings. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.